Hello, my name is Myra Cagete, your Pinay English teacher at sa araw na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang uncountable nouns. Sa English grammar, kapag sinabi nating uncountable nouns, o sa ibang libro, tinatawag rin yan na mass nouns or non-count nouns, magkakapareho lang yan. Okay, huwag kayong malilito. Okay, so kapag sinabi nating uncountable nouns, these are words that are considered or that cannot be counted individually. Okay? For example, ideas, yung mga ideas, liquids, abstract things, hindi nabibilang, group of things that are considered as a whole. Okay? Ito mga uncountable nouns, hindi natin dinadagdagan ng S. Okay? So we don't add an S to these words. For example, advices is wrong. We just say advice. We don't say informations. We just say information. We don't say luggages. We just say luggage. We don't say furnitures. We just say furniture. We don't use a or a o kaya an before these words. So we don't say, I will give you an advice. O mali yun, okay? We don't say, I'll give you an information. Mali din yun. Pero pwede tayong gumamit ng mga quantifiers, ng mga words katulad ng some. So instead of saying, I'll give you an advice, we just say, I'll give you some advice. Kaya naman, can I have a water? You can say, can I have a glass of water? Or can I have some water, please? Of course, hindi rin tayo gumagamit ng mga numbers. You don't say, I'll give you one advice. You can say, I'll give you a piece of advice. O kaya kung marami, you can say, I'll give you pieces of advice.
Can you think of any more examples of uncountable nouns? Write them in the comments.
And I'll see you again next time.